Once you receive the package with your new BCN3D Epsilon, it's time to unbox it and set it up. It is very important to keep all the packaging and everything it contains in case you need to claim the warranty. Please keep the pallet as well as the cardboard box and all the protective foam. First, take the box on top. In it, you'll find the printer documentation as well as a toolkit and a smaller box with all the necessary components for the printer setup. The Epsilon documentation includes a quick start guide, information about our maintenance kit and materials, which you can buy online from our website, a welcome card, the warranty, and information about the smart cabinet. In the component kit, you will find a sample part, 2 spool holders, an Ethernet cable, a USB cable, power supply cable, a USB Wi-Fi dongle, and nylon cleaning filament. In the toolkit, you will find pliers, 3 Allen keys, a spatula, an SD card, 10 shims, a calibration gauge, and a Magigoo glue stick. Open the box that contains the printer by cutting the straps. You will need the help of another person to remove the cardboard box. Lift the box above the printer by grabbing the handles on the side. Cut the zip tie that secures the protective plastic bag. Open the bag and leave it at the bottom of the printer. In order to lift up the printer, hold it firmly by the upper handle while placing your other hand underneath the printer to hold the bottom. Place the printer on a stable surface. In the bottom tray, you'll find the printing surface and 2 spools of PLA filament. You will also find a declaration of conformity. Remove the protective liners from the printer as well as the adhesive tape that holds the door closed. Before plugging in the printer, remove the protective foam from underneath the printing platform and the 4 red clamps holding each of the belts, 2 on the X-axis and 2 more on the Y-axis. To remove the belt clamps, hold the belt with 2 fingers and pull the clamp with the other hand. Connect the power cable into the back of the printer and turn on your BCN3D Epsilon. The Epsilon's packaging has been carefully designed to provide maximum security to the printer so that you receive it in perfect condition. However, if you notice any kind of damage that might have happened during transportation, please contact your local distributor.